Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a platformer game in Raylib. It's almost my tuition time, so right now I'll not do much, but at least show you how to set up Raylib on Windows. Now you can use MinJW, but I recommend using MSys2 because that makes mostly everything simpler. So first of all, you're gonna wanna open your browser. Let's open it. See. Right, my computer is old as fuck, so I'm going to have to wait a little. Let's just wait. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to ancestry.com. Now I'm gonna show you how to install it on Windows 7 too, because on Windows 7 it's a little more different. So why is it lagging? What the fuck? So first of all, you're gonna wanna go to ancestry.com. Okay. It's fucking lagging, bro. I've just what is this? Oh, it went to old. Okay. So when you go here, if you have Windows 10 or later, then you just have to download this and run the setup, and then just add it to the path. I'll show you how to add the MSys2 to the path later. But right now, if you have Windows 10 or later, just do simply this. But if you have an older version like me, which is Windows 7, then you have to go to distrib msys2.org/distrib. What? Okay, I think I forgot the link. msys-distrib. So it's like an index of MSys2 from 2022 to 2024. Oh, it is lagging so much. MSys2 distrib. Why is it lagging so much? I'm sorry if it's getting boring because it's lagging a lot. Okay, so this is the index. I'm gonna go here after searching that. Go down and click on this. This is where you will download the Windows 7 version. Actually, the Windows 7 version is very old, but I know how to run a newer version that is still stable. So basically the setups don't support Windows 7. The setups of 2022 only support Windows 7. But if you go here and go to the last 2023 version and download the tar file instead of the installer, then you should be able to run it. I'm not gonna download the tar file because I already have it. The reason I'm telling you to add MSys2 to the path is because most people use VS Code with C++ extensions, so the C++ extension won't be able to find the G++ compiler, and then it won't be able to autocomplete. So basically, go to your MSys2 folder after you install it. You go here, then application MSys2. So after you are here, you wanna run this. I mean, not that, that's our icon, this. And this specifically. If you are 32-bit, then you have to run this. But the reason I am not running 32-bit to maintain backward compatibility is I tried to run it, but it doesn't work for some reason. So you are gonna wanna run this. Let's run it. Just wait a little. And it will run. It won't look like this because I have customized it. You can just go here, then here to customize it. So right as you get in, you wanna do these things. Pacman S minjw w54. Now for every minjw package, you have to either put i686 for 32-bit or x86 64 if you are using minjw64. So I'm gonna put that. you wanna do this. This will install the GCC and the G++ compiler. After that, you have to do the same but with Raylib, just like this. And I recommend using Ninja because it's faster than Make. You obviously won't see Make and Ninja. You can also just use Make if you like Make. Now to add the MSys2 to the path, you just search system environment variables over here, and then advanced environment variables. It will be a little different on Windows 7, but it's probably the same. On Windows 10 you will see like a list here that you can add an item to, but you only want to add these two. Separate everything by semicolons. I'm just gonna type these in the notepad so you can see them better. By the way, I'm typing my MSys2 path. If you installed MSys2 with the default path, then it should be in C/MSys64. So that's the first one. I mean, not the first one. This is the first one. This is the MSys2 binary directory. This contains the files that are not on NinjaW, like CMake and Ninja. So if you don't add this, you won't be able to get completions for them if you use an extension, and you won't be able to run them directly through command prompt. The second one is d/applications. Again, I am using my MSys2 path /ninjaw 32 or 64/bin. This contains the NinjaW 64 bin files. I'm just gonna make a little project now just to show you. Oh, my video just started. Electricity is back again. So basically I'm just gonna go to my C++ folder, games, make directory or test, cd, oh, yeah, these are all the ones I made, but they're probably just trash and tests. Oh, I went in the wrong test. The actual test is this. So I won't do that much. I'm just gonna make a main file and not make a CMake list because I don't want to make this too complex. Let's actually open this in the Explorer. Let's open this with the Sublime Text. I like that editor, so I'm gonna open it with that editor. Okay, it's opening. So let's just ignore all the other files. We'll give another folder that I opened, but you're gonna want to focus on this. Now you have to do raylib.h print main, then initialize window by using this function 800 600. This is the width and height, and this is the title. It's a const char, like a C string. So if you are using a std string, then you have to convert it to C string in the str function. If you want to change the default FPS, set target FPS, and the FPS you want, like 24. You're gonna wanna go to the while loop. While not window should close. This runs until the window closes. The events are pre-handled by Raylib, so you don't have to delve deeper into that right now. Just begin drawing and clear the background with the color you want. I'm just gonna use white, and then draw a rectangle. There are two ways to draw a rectangle. One is to use this function and pass a color and a rectangle struct object, and the second is to just use X and Y. I recommend the first one because that's better, but right now we're just going to use this. 20 is the X, 40 is the Y, 50 is the width, and 50 is the second. 50 is the height. Then the color is red. I'm just going to use red. And drawing, and finally close the window. Now as you can see, it is really simple in Raylib to build a window. We're just gonna compile it like main.cpp. Make sure to link Raylib, and if it doesn't work, try linking OpenGL32 like this, and also the kernel 32 and stuff if it doesn't work. But by default you just have to link it and it should work probably. So let's run this. Let's wait a few seconds, and let's wait a few seconds more. Let's wait a few seconds more. Bro, why is this taking so long? This is why I recommend using Make or Ninja, because they speed up this process, and right now it's taking fucking ages. Okay, it finally compiled. Now the compiled file is obviously exe, so you don't have to worry about cross compilations. Now this is using a very outdated version of Raylib, which is 4.5. If you want to use the latest 5.5, then you have to manually install it and put it in the WinJW directories. So why the fuck is this not running? Oh, I want Windows to be closed. Yeah. Everything good. Or is everything? Bro, what's happening? Bro, I just want to make a tutorial. Please run. Please fucking run. Oh shit. Bro, my CPU. Nah. I'm scared, bro. My computer gonna explode. Or what? Okay. It didn't run because I ended it. Let's try running it again. Let's try closing Sublime Text and then running it. Okay, it finally ran. As you can see, there's a square. It's not like flickering. That's because Raylib has double buffering enabled by default, so you don't have to worry about flickering and stuff. Now that's it for today. That was all of this setup, and goodbye.